Hey, it's Ed from Antique Toys. We are about to hit May the 4th, and we'll do one quick run through of inventory just to get size perspective relative to the other toys. So stay tuned for more over at Antique Toys and Mars Auctions. Okay, here's a section of iron banks and such that will be available soon. Good looking ice wagon. Cast iron from one room. Here's some Matthews items. That and that are dinky, but now we're looking at the Matthews Estate Toys custom one-offs. Quite nice. These are Barclay style soldiers, and each one of these was made with care. I believe that's Amoebico. And here's some more Matthews items. And then we have the consignment of a beautiful Markland gun with the stylized M going through some of the planes. This particular plane's a sleeper. Highly stylized and early. It looks to me almost like a gong bell type toy. Gorgeous limousine. Renault. These estate items. Along with German tin for different consignments. And then the tremendously large Buddy L sand loader. Radiguet. Space Toys. Ships and John Deere. David Storage. Buddy L. Smith Miller. And Steel Curtain.